Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is not at all the type of content that I upload, but for a while I had been struggling to clean my fan. I usually would always use the q-tips like this, and also from the back I would just do this until all the dust came out because the ventilation in my room sucks. I started cleaning my room and I was cleaning my fan, and I was like, you know what, like I need to take this whole great thing apart and clean it because the blades were driving me crazy, and I will insert pictures of how dirty the fan was from the inside. So my stoner crazy ass was like, I'm gonna get this open, I'm gonna do whatever it takes to get it open. So all I used to get it open were these little makeup scissors. These type of scissors come in any nail clipping kit. I'm sure you have these laying around somewhere in the house. This is what I used, really easy, quick. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. I basically just squeezed it in there, and you are going to damage a bit, but I mean, do you want to clean this or not? So I did it from there, and I also did it from the bottom, and it came out like this. Pull this to the top and it comes off. So it's already cleaned. I cleaned it already. Here's a closer look to the inside, but some parts are kind of hard to get off. So what I did is long tweezers that I got from some eyelashes that I bought on Amazon, and I used this kind of to get the hard to reach parts. And they do come out, and you basically just pull them out towards you, and this is what they look like from the back. And to pop this back, you just push it all the way, and this is where I kind of the marks that I left, but I don't care. I've been having this fan for years now, and I honestly didn't think it was possible to take it apart, but it is. This, make sure you're placing it correctly. Pop that back in. That's it. You're done. So I'm gonna test out the fan right now. When I tell you that it feels 20 times better, it feels 20 times better. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Give me a thumbs up. I know there's a bunch of videos out there that make it complicated and they just don't go straight to the point. They keep talking, which I did keep talking, but it don't matter. You know how to open it and clean it. Enjoy your fan.